Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS PhotoView 360 Rendering lesson. From the SOLIDWORKS Add-ins tab, select the PhotoView 360 add-in. Select the Appearances tab and explore the different display options. Select the top cover, click in the Appearance drop-down command and remove the top-level appearance. Open the top cover and select the Appearances tab in the Task Manager. Browse to the folder Decals, Logos, and drag the Recycle logo to the top face. Select the Mapping tab and change the logo's properties as indicated. Click OK to add the decal and return to the assembly. Activate the Decals tab to see the new decal listed. From the Appearances tab, expand the Studio Scenes section and drag the Reflection Floor Checkered scene into the Graphics area. If your hardware supports it, activate Real View Graphics. From the Scene tab, right-click in the primary photo view lighting and change the light settings as shown. Select the Preview window to see the effect of the lighting changes. Click OK to continue. In the Render Tools tab, select the Scene Illumination Proof sheet to evaluate different lighting options. Select different lighting option that shows the best results and click OK to continue. Select the PhotoView 360 options, set the output image size and render quality options, and click OK. Click in the Final Render command and wait for the render to finish. Select the image from the renders window, click Save, and close the final render window. Select the factory background scene from the Appearances tab and apply it to the assembly. Right-click in the Scene folder and select Edit Scene. Explore the different options in the Basic and Advanced Scene tabs and click OK when finished. Select the components indicated and remove the top-level appearance. Click on Final Render to generate the final image. Save the image and close the final render window to continue. In the assembly window, turn off the perspective view, change to a right view and add a sketch in the face indicated. Draw a rectangle, select the Assembly tab, click in the Assembly Features command and select Extruded Cut. Set the cut's end condition. Expand the Feature Scope section, activate the Selected Components option, and select the housing, side cover, top cover, and the screws indicated. Click OK to finish. In the Feature Manager, select the Cut Extrude, edit the feature, and select the components indicated. Select the Appearances tab, expand the Decals folder and delete the Recycle decal. Edit the Cut Extrude and include a bushing in the feature scope. Click OK to finish. Click in the tab to hide the Feature Manager and select the Final Render command. Save the final rendered image, show the Feature Manager, and save the assembly.